Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to change your WhatsApp profile picture. So go ahead and open your WhatsApp application on your device. Then after click on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. Here select the profile picture that has been set on your account. Click on edit. Now you can go ahead and use your camera, take a photo and set it as your profile picture. You also have the option to go to your gallery, select the picture, or you can import from Instagram or your Facebook and also create AI images. I'm going to go ahead and use the gallery option. Now use the profile picture that you want to set. Click on done from the bottom right and you'll be done. Likewise, you can also go ahead and change your name, set your about, or change your phone number and add links to your account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.